Scott Morrell, I practice in Boise, Idaho. Been doing it for 30 years. Just had a full day with Bert and had a great day. It was wonderful. A lot of information. What I most appreciate about you, Bert, is the level of energy is incredible. And I knew that from our phone conversation last week. Everybody's fired up. We knew we needed to go to the next level, which we need to do. And one of the things I liked about your whole approach and the Team Training Institute was that your values and ethics are aligned with mine really nicely. It's about the patient quality. It's not just about making money. And I was always disturbed by other organizations at times. So the values are right on. The methods are really well thought out, and I appreciate the depth of experience that you have, and I think Dr. John has read through his books. It all looks like it's a really complete package that makes a lot of sense. And again, it's a lot to take in, but right now I'm a little bit mentally a little tired right now. It's a lot of information, but it's been a very positive day. And I've done a lot of CE over the years, and this is as packed a day as I've had. And also not just packed, I've had other good courses, but this is really applicable stuff I think that we're going to be able to apply and get a lot of mileage out, more than other things that I've done before, which were all good, but this is really just really nuts and bolts basic stuff that I think is really going to help us. So we're excited to get started and interested in seeing where the next few months go. Good. So we're ready to roll up our sleeves and get going and see where it leads. So thank you for your time and really enjoyed the day.